Hello everyone, and what's up traders? How you doing today? Let's see, today's date is it's Tuesday, July 30th, 2019. Okay, let's take a look at, we're going to look at the SPY, the VIX, Oxy, BX, and I'll do a little update on KSS. Video should take about less than 10 minutes, hopefully. Okay, on the SPY, this $300 mark, I've been concerned about that $300 mark. If we close below that, then I think we come down and check out the July 18, 19 lows in here. Now everybody knows that the market is waiting for the Fed's announcement tomorrow being Wednesday. I think that might, well, it might get the market to move one way or another, might take some of the fear off the market, knowing that there either is or is not going to be an adjustment in the Fed rate. So what we're looking at here is we've got a gap down, so it's going to be important for the bulls that we move above yesterday or today's candle here. We want to move above today's candle, and what we want to do is challenge the highs up here. If we do that successfully, I would look at this 302.50, 303.10 as kind of an immediate target. And if that happens, what that will do is that will give us our that will give us our bullish J hook here, right in here. Now you see this bullish J hook up here. Here we rallied up, pulled back, and we did break out. And then we did a little consolidation. So a little consolidation down. The low is still a higher low from these lows here. So there is a very good chance that the bulls take this. Of course, I think they're, like I said, it's all about what the Fed's going to say, I think, and how the market reads the Fed. But on positive trading, breaking out of the recent highs up here, watch this 303 and 302 area, 302.50, 303.10. Okay, if things don't turn out the way the bull might want it, and it turns out more by the way of the bear, then what happens is we start breaking below that 300 level. This bullish candle that we received today will gap down and then bullish for the day. Overall, I wouldn't call it a bullish candle for the day, but a good recovery. We did come down and get right into our $300 price support. But if we do fail, and we fail this 300, then I would watch for that 297, these July 18th lows to be tested. Let's go take a look at the VIX real quick. VIX, real quick. There we go. So in my previous video, if you watched it, I talk about this box right here. Yesterday's video, I talked about this box, and that the bulls are creating a bottom. They're constructing a bottom down here. They're trying to create it. They are constructing it. And what that kind of a warning sign. We just want to be a little cautious. And mainly we want to be cautious on which way we actually break out of this box. Anything in this box, I think for the most part, is a lot of noise. Just yak, 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 yak. Clawing at the walls, banging their heads. They're just noise. But if we break out or break down, it might be a bit more than noise. And of course, if we break out on the VIX, the market is likely to dip a little bit further and move down. And if the VIX actually goes down, the market is likely to go up. So this is something we want to watch right here. There's been two really good days. We have a Fig Newton chart pattern here. Kind of, sort of, in a way, if you stretch a little bit, Morningstar signal, stretch a little. And then we have follow through. You can see these tops. We break out. Here's what the breakout might look like. Maybe. We do the whole breakout, maybe tomorrow, the next day, who knows. And then what we do is we pull back and test, and then those bulls come in. And the bears would be the same scenario. down, probably test, and then down. Okay, let's take a look at Oxy BX, and then we'll do a follow-up on KSS. So here's Oxy, OXY, OXY. It's an RBB setup. RBB setup. This is the chart I use for an RBB setup. And you can see that we've got a nice flat bottom trading in here. Nice flat bottom. The only downside to OXY is the earnings are tomorrow. So be cautious about that. The earnings could change the whole temper of the chart. Who knows? But I do like the chart. I am going to be watching it. And there's a possibility I'm in it. No, there's no guarantee I'll be in it, but there's a possibility I'll be in it tomorrow. Okay, so we've broken out of this top right in here. Here's a nice little trend line. And if we draw the trend line from this low to where you can see these candles coming in, look how we came right down to the trend line. The blue line's a 50-day simple. Bullish engulf. Nice little flag in here. You can see the flag. Nice little bull flag pullback. Here we've broken out. So what we're looking for is positive trading, and I would be bullish on this candle on positive trading above that 52, 65, 70 area right in here, with the targets up near my deuces up here. This is one of our 200s, and this is the other 200 up here. Pretty good volume today. So OXY will be on our watch list, on our members' watch list. The other one is BX. BX. There we go. So BX is trending up. Since it's trending up, I'm going to switch to a different chart. This is our T-line band chart right here. And you can see how that we have broken out here. We broke out, ran up, pulled back, and we popped up again. Now I'm going to move that line right up there. Notice how we have resistance right in here. The bulls could not get through without pulling back and bringing more money in. They bring more money in. They run it up. Well, when they do, they break out of this level here. Stocks always pull back. So look how it pulled back. Pulled right back to that support line, horizontal support line. And now, and when it pulls back, it brings in more money. Let's face it. Traders want to buy stocks on discounts. So you look for stocks that are trending, pulling back to support, giving you the candlestick buy signal, the price action, wait for that right setup, and then here it rallies up. Well, it's pulling back again. Well, here it is if you're not in it. I mean, if you're in it, 2 thumbs up, way to go. If you're not in it, well, here it is pulling back again, and we put a bullish piercing candle in today. Now, we didn't get all the way down to the support, and that's perfectly fine. But what I would look for is, well, if it does, that possibility that it kind of sinks down till it gets into good support. And even if it does, we'll start putting lines on to buy it. But based on today's candle, a piercing candle, you want to buy on positive trading. So above about $49, that's what we might look at. So if we take today's candle, here we're up. What we're looking for is the breakout, and then test, and then we're looking for a reason to buy. A reason to buy. Now, let's do this again. Nothing says that this has to happen tomorrow. Nothing at all says that. It could happen. Let's just put a candle in here. Let's put another candle in here. It can happen 3 days from now, where now we break out and it pulls back. We're still looking for the same thing. We're looking for bullishness over $49. Basically, we want the piercing candle to hold. Hold means it has to hold the low. That's where the piercing candle started. When it shows positive trading, we want to look for that discount because we want that discount. We also want to buy close to support because support is where we're going to put our stop. We want to look for the buyers coming in, and bada boom, bada bang, we're off and running. All right, let's do a quick follow-up on KSS. This is a trade that we are in. Currently up 23.17%. It popped up yesterday, hit one of our little areas that we're looking at as about 53.15. And then today, I did not sell any yesterday. Today, nor did I sell any today. Nothing really warranted the sell. And it actually closed up pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So now we're looking at 54.40, 55.35 as an area to maybe take some profits. Now, there is a very, very good chance by the end of the week I have pulled some profits off of KSS. Maybe at that 54.40, that 55.35 area. It may be up there. It all depends on what price action is doing. You know, price action is king, and it tells you more than anything on a chart. So we'll just follow it up, use those lines as little areas of kind of a warning sign. And then, you know, if we see price action fail at those areas, we'll take those profits. Okay. Hey, this was Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Remember, this was What's Up? Today's July 30th, Tuesday, July 30th, 2019. Hey, do me a favor. If you like this video, click on the like button for me, okay? I appreciate it. It makes me want to do more of these. There's also a bell down there. Subscribe to our channel, and you'll be alerted whenever I do one of these videos. Okay, everyone have a great, great day or evening or whatever time you're looking at this. Enjoy yourself. You guys all take care. We'll see you on the next video.